The Home Master TMAFC reverse osmosis system is designed to tackle common issues found in traditional RO systems, ensuring a reliable and long-lasting solution for your home. This system offers enhanced mineral water by incorporating a patented remineralization process that enriches your water with essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, improving both taste and health benefits. Certified by NSF for quality and safety, the components of the Home Master TMAFC system meet stringent standards and are proudly made in the United States. With a fast fill rate of 4.5 seconds for an 8-ounce glass, the system's larger fittings and tubing provide quick and convenient access to purified water. The modular design of the Home Master TMAFC allows for easy maintenance and upgrades, with hassle-free annual filter replacements that require no tools. Included in the comprehensive setup are a fully assembled purification unit, a storage tank, and all necessary adapters and components, making installation straightforward and user-friendly.